Hey guys, Xiaomi unveiled a new gaming smartphone called as Black Shark 3 and Black Shark 3 Pro in China. Here is all specs and features. Black Shark 3 Pro offers a 7.1-inch 2K plus resolution screen that supports 490Hz refresh rate and 270Hz sampling rate, which is higher than any other smartphone in the market. The phone powered by new Snapdragon 865 processor coupled with Qualcomm 5G modem. Available in both 8GB and 12GB RAM option with 256GB of storage, but 8GB support normal LPDDR4X RAM and 12GB support latest LPDDR5 RAM. On the back, the device supports 64 megapixel primary camera with f1.8 aperture, a 13 megapixel ultra wide angle unit, and also have a 5 megapixel depth sensor for the portrait shot. On the front, a powerful 20 megapixel selfie snapper included. Under the hood for gamers, Xiaomi had 5000 mAh battery capacity with massive 65-watt fast charging. There is no pop-up triggers from Xiaomi that will ensure 3 lakhs pop-ups without any issues. Xiaomi Shark comes with a 6.67-inch Full HD Plus resolution display that supports 490Hz refresh rate, as well as the Black Shark 3 support 3.5mm headphone jack. Further, a 4720 mAh battery capacity included with a 65-watt fast charging support. However, storage capacity is different from Black Shark 3 Pro, which includes 8GB RAM and 128GB variant. So let me know your thoughts about the Xiaomi Black Shark in the comment box. I will share a new video tomorrow. Make sure to subscribe to this channel for more updates about the Xiaomi phones, and also don't forget to hit that notifying bell icon. Thanks for watching it. I'm Ashkar from #.